a fascinating experience spending all these days with such beautiful people and a space of total non-judgmental, a space where everyone was free to share their feelings, their emotions, and their thoughts. And Vibhuti, I must compliment you on the way you facilitated this whole thing. It was beautiful. It was beautiful, and the book itself was quite fascinating. It sort of brings out that, infidelity is not black and white. It's not simple like that. There are many intricacies and other things which are involved in this. And I think that the author has covered most of those things so beautifully. It was an amazing experience going through with all of you on this book, and the contribution of everyone, the frankness and openness with which everyone shared their personal experiences made it so empowering for me. It was really blissful. I had such a wonderful time. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Vibhuti. Thank you for this beautiful experience of being with you for all these days.
Everybody has said such beautiful things. And I agree with all of you that these 10 days have been so wonderful. What a platform where you can just discuss what comes to your mind. There's no filter. When you talk to people, like I was telling him that, you have to have a boundary with so many people. But here, it's a fantastic platform where you can just speak what you really think. Coming to the book, I think it's a very unique perspective on marriage, the mysticism of marriage, life, adventure, mystery, the psychology of it, the psychiatry of it, the philosophy of it. It is so deep that if we had tried to read it ourselves, I'm talking about myself, I would have given up long. And in 10 days to, not only see what is in the book, everybody's experiences. And like every time, this has been, again, full stars, full marks. And I tell Vibhuti always, the simpler the front end is very complicated back end. I mean, what all goes into the preparation of the simple concepts, giving analogies, beautiful analogies of personal lives as well as everybody's, all pretty girls and all, everybody here. The that had from our lives as well as the book. It is a journey worth attending. And I would say, the guys, if this is a testimonial, guys, do yourself a favor. This is the way to read the book.
Especially the way everybody was just so non-judgmental. It was so nice to be able to open up and share. And, no, you're not going to get any gyan unnecessarily in return. So that was really nice. Of course, the way you controlled, conducted, facilitated, honored each one of us on the group, Vibhuti, that was absolutely stupendous. It was phenomenal. And it was, I think, exactly what I needed. So I'm so grateful. And, I take away so many new perspectives from the book, so many. Of course, all the poetic lines, they were so brilliant, but also it has opened up, so many more ideas, possibilities, discussions, things that you always knew in some part of your heart, but, nobody was ever willing to listen or talk about it. So like this space is there where finally you can say it, you can hear yourself speaking these words. It was just liberating. I think I can go on forever and I don't know what to say at the same time, but it has been a life-changing experience and I'm truly grateful. I would love to meet you someday, give you a big hug.
Most definitely, infidelity is never a table talk. So here I would say it has received a place at the table. So that itself is huge. By itself, even not delving into it, just discussing infidelity, and especially we have, I am so glad that we have a wide range in terms of age group. So somebody who's not married, somebody who's married for a short while, somebody who's married for really long, somebody who's been married for decades, everything all put together. I mean, even on a very, somebody who's going through a divorce. So we have so many perspectives right here. I think we have nothing left, that it's not covered. It's in this box. I think we've covered it all. So it's so beautiful that it's not just, my perspective, or it's just one perspective. But here, through the book, where we receive perspective of people who have lived their lives and shared their stories with Esther, we have here a platform where we're sharing our own stories. So yeah, wow. One more wow, Vibhuti. Definitely. And as I said, looking forward to all upcoming workshops. I think, I remember you asking, are you in for this one? And my answer was very simple. I said, yes, of course. How is that even a question, kind of?
The book has come at a time where it has changed so much, like my whole perspective. I always, had thought that if someday I leave this place, I want to heal from here and go. And I think it has not just healed me, it has given me so much enthusiasm and excitement in life. It's life-changing. So this book session was done for me. I feel like all you people gathered here for me. I feel like that today. So this is the universe I wanted for a while, kind of a thing. Yeah. So thank you so much.
Just remember that one thing, like Adi always says also, have fun and be you.
Seriously.
Don't miss out on being you, because that is what, is actually live for. But it was amazing, Vibhuti, and you were super.
Super, she was super.
And I think the class is so beautiful. What wonderful people, wow. And now I can see everything. You really are right.
So lovely to see you.
And you all were so open to receiving. That's what I loved about the class. That everybody was bindas. And that is where you will start creating a phenomenal life for yourself. Honestly.
And Vibhuti, you are phenomenal.
She is. That's why, my God, she's got the beautiful class.
That's true.
Rethink about it. So the book title has done a justice towards it. And on a personal level, I can say, the word infidelity, how we are being accustomed towards it, or how we are being thought about it, is always like a kind of a shame or something which is not being spoken out loud. Affairs are something which are not being spoken out loud. Only in a group of certain comfortable people or some so-called open-minded people. So yes, this has changed a lot in me, and I think the need to get into a relationship, the need to sustain that relationship is making me think a lot. And why is that required? Why marriage is required? Why relationship is required? How to work on a relationship with yourself is a hidden meaning I'm getting out from this book. And the most important relationship which we need to work and we always avoid. And I'm so glad that there are many people in this platform we are learning from, not only from you, Vibhuti, but from everyone. I'm not gonna name anyone on a personal level, but each and every member is contributing, and their life stories and their learnings. It's amazing. It's really, really amazing. But on a personal level, Vibhuti, I really want to thankful to you.
Hi, it was wonderful session. It was like mine was second one, but I thoroughly enjoyed. It was lovely meeting you all virtually. But Vibhuti, hats off to you. You have made a lot of changes in me, and I'm so much thankful for that to you. And this book really, it taught us very much. For infidelity, and everything changed now.